getting warmer and warmer?
Yeah, it's not cool even when the aircon is on.
Turn it off. The world would not be so hot if we used less aircon.
That's right. In fact, generating electricity by burning coal and petrol and many human activities such as driving, manufacturing and dumping waste at landfills produces a large amount of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Trees can absorb carbon dioxide. However, people destroy forests, often by burning them, to construct buildings and make furniture and paper, so there are fewer trees to absorb carbon dioxide. The greenhouse gases in the atmosphere act like a blanket covering the Earth. They prevent some of the heat radiated by the Earth to escape into space. This is called the greenhouse effect. As more and more greenhouse gases are produced, the Earth will become warmer and warmer. This is global warming.
Is that why the weather is getting warmer?
That's right. Not only is the temperature rising, but the sea level is also going up due to the melting of glaciers on land. And the weather is becoming more abnormal too. All of this will affect the lives of humans, animals, and plants. Some species may even become extinct.
I feel sorry for them.
Huh? Then how is Hong Kong affected by global warming?
As part of the Earth, Hong Kong is also affected by global warming. We're all affected.
How are we affected?
Okay, let me explain to you. When I was a child, it used to be cold during Christmas. But the temperature reached 28 degrees today. The climate in Hong Kong has really changed over the last few decades. Because of global warming and urbanization, the mean air temperature in Hong Kong has increased by 1.2 degrees compared with 100 years ago. By the year 2100, the air temperature will have increased by a further 3 to 4 degrees. There will be more and more very hot days in the future.
Hey, does that mean there will be no more winter in Hong Kong?
That's right, kid.
The annual rainfall will also vary more in the future. We'll have a lot of rain and more rainstorms in some years, but dry weather or even droughts during some other years. Do you know that the sea level of Hong Kong has risen by 0.12 meters over the last 50 years?
0.12 meters is less than half a foot. That's almost nothing.
Not so. When a typhoon comes close and gives us a storm surge, the sea level may rise by 1 to 2 meters. This may flood some low-lying areas along the coast. If the mean sea level rises due to global warming, there will be a higher risk of flooding when we're affected by a typhoon. But Hong Kong's infrastructure is good, so we haven't seen serious damage yet.
So, is there a chance for the Earth to recover?
Why, yes. What we can do is to save energy.
For example, don't use the aircon unnecessarily. If you really have to, don't set the temperature too low. And remember to turn off everything when you go out.
And use public transport as far as possible.
Or simply walk more often like me. It's good for your health and it saves natural resources.
Not a bad idea. I can walk the fastest.
Use less paper too. Then fewer trees will be chopped down. Plant trees in your spare time so more carbon dioxide will be absorbed from the atmosphere.
Just remember, we have to save energy, use public transport as far as possible, and use less electricity and paper. There's no other way.
Oh, I think it's a piece of cake.
Our Earth can be saved if everyone does all that.
We'll help to save the Earth. Yeah.
Good children. All right then. What Christmas presents do you want? Let me wrap them up for you.
Oh, thank you. But no wrapping paper, please.